A great person does not have to think consistently from one day to the next. Emerson is not just talking about being consistent with other people's ideas. He is also talking about not worrying about being consistent with our own previous ideas. Hobgoblin referred to small and childish, delighting themselves in pranks and jokes. Emerson promotes the idea that to be great is to be misunderstood. This is his true philosophy of self-reliance, means being completely original and spontaneous, following one's own heart, and not pre-established ideas and principles. Little minds need to feel like they are being consistent all the time. A greater mind would not be bothered if the idea it has today contradicts one it had yesterday. Greater minds just follow whatever they think at any given time.